Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're back with another one, Bafetu, Petty Crew, Bafetu, straight from a 2-1 win, Bafetu. We just beat the Makesi. Petty Zinjabo, Mr. Mlambo. Mr. Mlambo, how are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm feeling scrumptious today.
You're scrumptious again, my man.
I'm exclusive like our kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm feeling exclusive. And sihlale swina thina mfethu.
Yeah, Vig in a Vig. And then, Ghost, how are you, sir?
Hayi, sijabulile amabhakaniya. Happy days are back. Sikwate kayi-1 nje amabhakaniya manje we are back to winning ways. Yeah, bayibambile abafana.
Back to winning ways, Mapagania. As I said, Mapagania, we straight from a 2-1 win. Still to Bulala Makis in Danga. We were at the stadium, obviously, we were not there. Young in Tinjan. Then for no coast to coast, maybe let me start with you because we did the interviews together. Who was your standout yesterday?
Hayi mina ngihamba nomfuyi wey'nyosi bafethu.
Keeper.
Beekeeper liyathela i-beekeeper mfana bathi sibulala i-sunflower. Weekend sibulala ama-sunflower. Lo Diadora lo. Yeah, u-beekeeper unginikile. But I like no Pujabu. He always unpacks it nicely.
Pujabu,
But those were, I think, were my two standouts.
Yeah, no, brilliant from Beekeeper and Pujabu. Did you get a chance Ndanga to watch the interviews?
Nakanjani mfethu.
Yeah.
Firstly ngizothanda ukucela uxolo mabhakaniya shared personal things ezingibambile izolo. But sisonke I was with you ngokwenhliziyo yazi. Yesterday Ndanga I did get to manage to see ama post match interviews. Ndanga nami uPujabu mfethu. I think uPujabu like uyayindlala like you understand like he tried to show us zonke lezi zinto lezi which is I think is so vital for us to know the info about iPagania ngithola. So mina for me this week uPujabu uthathile.
Yeah, shout out to other Paganias as well, who came through the interviews.
Sima FS so kunivala.
Yeah.
Like I think he was good.
He was good, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out to you, Mapagania, of it for coming through, even though the weather was bad, it was raining. In fact, it was very difficult for people to come because with the shelter corner, there's no shelter. But Mapagania came through in numbers. In fact, expressed how they felt. Overall, in fact, Babu Papas, they were there. Kans was there. And many more others. Mabas was there, Mabas was difficult to please. He was still not hit with other things.
Shout out to you, Mabas.
Yeah, shout out to you. And then my favorite as well, it's Udailing, Upucha. I think it was sweet and short. Pucha, you can tell he has experience of doing this thing. He has experience of doing this thing. And then yesterday in Danga, we also saw Orlando Pirates released the third kit, away kit. It was a limited edition. Okay, maybe before we even get your thoughts on that, of how it looks, they released the article on their website. And so I just want to read it quickly for Mapagania. So it goes as follows, Mapagania. Adidas and Orlando Pirates Football Club are proud to unveil the club's special edition third jersey, a bold new chapter in South African football design and culture. The players will wear the limited jersey during the current Black Label quarterfinal against Makesi at Orlando Stadium tonight. The Orlando Pirates third jersey draws inspiration from the iconic Orlando Towers, a landmark that stands as a symbol of Soweto pride, community, and artistic expression. The Orlando Pirates third jersey will be available from 14 November 2025 in limited quantities at Adidas stores, selected retailers, and online at Orlando Pirates FC and Adidas. Did you get to you get a chance to see it in like
Nakanjani.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
what I
yeah,
said.
yeah,
Right?
yeah,
Wow. Kanti
yeah.
basifihlela inteni nje. Danga you see the article which you just read.
Yeah.
It's exactly that. Yangithola.
Yeah.
Like it's a symbol of Soweto, that thing, and also Soweto Towers. Danga le yakhe le mfethu I don't know. Ngathi khona i-team enayo or kanti, but not the same colors, but lo mhlobiso lo.
Yeah.
What's that team? I'm just thinking that team.
I can't think of any team, but I think it's familiar to me as well.
It's
Yeah,
familiar,
I think it's
but I
familiar.
don't know which team. But like ngayinda ngamzansi to have that thing. And namagents showed my wesigqoka.
Yeah.
Ayibagayile lento le ukuthi asebangena namhlanje. Them Swenko boys.
Yeah, lan. Yeah, land.
Yadingakala.
It's going to be necessary. Yeah, for me, I think it was beautiful in Danga. Although mangibona, hey man, I had question marks with Ash Young Tol.
Why?
When they released it on Twitter, I went, like ngibona ngathi man, it's too much going on, Young Tol in Denjan. But mangibona like life stadium ngonile ukuthi no, it's beautiful. And mangibona like ama players sewayivezile obviously social media and what yabona. Yabona ukuthi actually Young Tol, it's a good kid. It's a good kid.
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite? That one, the black one, or the white one?
I mean, the black one does it for me. Yeah. That's the original colors they spoke of it. Yeah,
original
that one
colours.
does it for me. But I think what stood out for me ukuthi like I try riding eMzansi ukuthi i-team ibe nama-kit ayi-3 like the alternative jersey.
Yeah.
Normally it's just the home and away kit. Lezi ama-alternative ezakada or kanti. So pick up ukubona ukuthi ibhakaniya liletha izinto ezintsha eKasi, and obviously leyo nto ibonisa i-progress ediskini laseKasi.
Yeah.
So yeah, nami ngincanyile ikit ifeli.
Ngicanyile ntwana, the touch of pink nyana.
Yeah.
I wanna even the patch is not this patch.
Sure, it's embedded by stitches so.
Yeah, and
Sure, it's just the skull and bone.
yeah, sure.
Kumele ngicheck i-badge angiyibonanga kahle. Ngibone I think ngibone i-purple ne.
Pinkish,
Yeah.
No, I saw it.
My wife wants that one. If I'm getting her jersey, she gets that one.
Yeah,
It's beautiful.
it's beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nasemakhaya singamabhakaniya. You must know that.
Nakanjani? Family yonke support ibhakani.
Siyafana kambe yonke nkosi.
Yonke.
Kasana.
Ngibonile na lesithombe usipostile
Sencosi, ibhakani.
Hey, nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And then immediately when he said bengifana no Ghost no Khabazela mfethu. Hey, bhakani mfethu all over my kids mfethu. They couldn't know how to deal with us. They are taking all angles. It was like I wasn't with you as I said when we went kanjani.
Yo ntanga mina indlela engiyibone ngayo I think umbutho was supposed to score ntanga ayo cheap is 100k umuntu oyina we6 ntanga 600,000 iqalile iCalling Black Label uyangizwa ukuthi le out iyazimisela like
ngathi medlala nebhakani yandoda
yento yakhe lena ukuthi ngifuna le 100,000
yeah
but like overall the game I think we were flat ntanga like we play good football mfethu ezibhakaniya. I think first 10 minutes I think Messi shake nyana cause my kids could have gotten a goal. Kunalapho Sipho no CM mfethu they were supposed to communicate better. But 2 minutes, first 2 minutes of the game.
I remember. Yeah,
they almost scored. First 10 minutes of the game, we were shaking. So that's what I said to myself. But it's cut masisamba mfethu. Ngabo 7 minutes masisokolo kusiqhubeka. Kwabonakala ukuthi siyibhakaniya Chipizeze was on top of Mbuthuma kahle ngiyababona abanye ngiyafuna uMbuthuma kore mfethu.
It was a battle of Chipizeze and Mbuthuma.
You get what I'm saying? But we play so well ntanga. I'm happy with the performance of the team, but we have to score ntanga. But Chipizeze ntanga ayuye mekazivimba.
It was Pirates versus Chipizeze.
Basically.
Pirates versus Chipizeze, and a lot of fans said that as well.
Yeah.
I think it was a beautiful one as well in Tanga, like in fact, the way we control games and so like, hey, in Tanga, like you can see like like on each and every game, it seems like, and I said this even the last time, like we taking a step like forward or upwards. Like each game, and we're able to manage our games better. If you remember, initially, we playing in phases.
Yeah.
Mhlambe besidlala first 10 minutes, the next 10 minutes. So, but now gradually, I'm seeing control from Ipagania, where okay, game izolo, we gave Amakesi a few chances. But it's unlike us nowadays. We hardly give our opposition any chances. So for me as well, in general, in fact, I think it was a good game for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Do you share the same sentiment, Ghost?
Yeah, certainly. I think we bossed Magesi.
Yeah,
We had the upper hand. We had more chances. We had the better ball position. So yeah, I think we were better than Magesi on the day. We played beautiful football.
Yeah, no, definitely. And then boom, we see it. We see press conference Ghost. Yeah, riding. Yeah, Coach AP, post match press conference, Coach AP. He spoke a lot of things, but the highlight for me was that we playing in Sakas, young Joel in danger.
The last 15 minutes, yeah.
Last 15 minutes, where this try tiki taka, then there, I think it was Mbule and Shengo, doing those back-to-back
Short
passes, young
passes,
Joel.
yeah.
And I think the coach didn't like that, young Joel. And the journalist on Mozart, but this is a South African culture. This is our flair. This is how we play football. I don't know. He understands, but now he wants it to be constructive,
Sure,
going
going
forward.
forward,
And so
yeah.
like that. What do you think of that?
Yeah, I mean, I think it is our South African culture, one, and it's in our DNA. It will always be there, one.
Yeah.
So, but I understand the coach, or he wants to build his philosophy of, always attacking, and now I'm for that. I'm for team. I am for Pirates to attack all the time.
Yeah.
So I understand where he's coming from and what he wants to bring, but I also understand, Esan, this is part of who we are. You'll hear the fans cheering once you see those small passes. Those small touches. The Kenya defending mo game, the players eventually the Kenya mo game. So I think it works. Yeah, but I get what the coach is trying to say. And another thing you see, it's Mbule and Shenko are doing that thing coming from the bench, or when these are people that need minutes. So if they're not gonna do what the coach wants, re frustrated.
Yeah.
So it's a difficult one, but I think let's go for the kill, and then once we taken the league and maybe another 5 games to go, then we can go back to that flair.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be my advice.
So I feel like the coach was harsh. In fact, I feel like it was harsh. Like if you saw this guy, I don't even think they asked him that question. They didn't.
No.
He just went on a rant and say, even this, this is my first time, and this I don't like. Go on. I feel like the coach as well. In fact, maybe I got address a dressing room and like media
In the media.
publicly so exposing the players. So on. And that, man, it wasn't even bad to a point. Like you want to, like I've seen Iniesta and Xavi does it. I'm not saying it's right, though. So I'm saying go Europe. Some of the teams or some of the star players that you look up to, they do it sometimes. And you saw at the end, Mbogazi played a beautiful through ball.
Yeah.
What's your take on that, Ndang?
Mina ntanga I think it's la ushukela wethu understand but I think goes to ibeke yonke mfethu yangithola coach nayo ine philosophy yakhe akafuna azidlale ngayo. I will say I understand him but ngam understand because nathi yeah understand like siyazithanda lezo zinto and I don't think ukuthi abombule bayenza into wrong but I think him addressing it there I think uhlala abatshela maybe Jimmy young understand because uphila nabo. So he was frustrated and I'd like to give him a round of applause for that ukuthi like a leader uyangithola hayi ukuthi like sekazodoko abheke phansi sekababheka kabi akasabadlalisi at least he's saying this thing so that they can know ukuthi hey ucoach akayifunde yonto because if you can check into emdine kakhulu ukuthi we considered Understand, and we
I
were too
think
neat. I think
yes.
into emdine kakhulu ukuthi gents, we could have scored more. You understand, but you guys are doing this. I think if the score was 3 or 4, he wouldn't have a problem us doing this, and if we didn't concede. But I think mina his problem kakhulu akusile yanto leya kuphela ukuthi also we
conceded.
considered yangithola. I think ubona like a lack of focus from the boys yangithola, but mina into yethu ntanga le.
But just to add, Donna, when you said Chavili Iniesta used to do it,
Yeah.
I think Bona never shy or Bona short pass. But tell the shadi no look, no Chevy. Lay pass ipega I obviously so as it tell you sugar yasekas, but beautiful,
It's beautiful. And I liked it because I don't know where to stand, but I don't want him to take our flair. But people end up being scared of expressing themselves. And sometimes kids want to gaming.
yeah.
And it gives us little some
Different,
energy and share them, and then just like that, we're on top of the opposition. So I'm also I get what he's saying, but also I'm scared to worry players shouldn't be scared to bring out that South African flair. Because let's be honest, if it's in South Africa, it's Orlando Pirates who's able to give them offense that thing.
Sure.
But can I just show you enye
Yeah.
into ne?
Yeah.
I don't think kunenkinga ngento yethu. I think kube nalenkinga njengoba ngikutshela leya izolo, lack of focus. Because uMasindi, there was a time aloko ashaya inyawo. You
Yeah.
remember there was a game
Yeah, sure.
lesiyishaya.
Yeah.
Didn't like akabanga so. I think kube so manje because of that lack of focus ntanga.
Yeah.
I mean, I think of that because I don't think vele specifically ushilo ukuthi umbule noDlamini angithola ukhale ngeteam yonke basically, but siyazi thina ukuthi ulapha. But I think nokuthi siconsidered ntanga lento le frustrated, and he even said it.
He went on to say it's fine on the Cubs, but on the league it will catch up on you.
True,
You must score as many goals as possible.
True.
So we'll see as time goes on, because if the results are not coming and players now they are playing like in to they are micromanaged, they can't really do that's where fans will start to criticize him, saying they are micromanaged, they can't express themselves. But if he says this and he delivers the results, who are we to argue? You must just follow suit and see where it takes us. And so far it's positive. And then on the coach, it's a 2-1 win. Obviously, it's another one after that. After that Lupopo win, although through penalties we lost, but at least the momentum you see it's still with us. So on Coach AP.
Coach AP Ntanga is growing each and every game akayidlalayo, and that's why I'm giving him a round of applause ngokuthi uyishilo leyo nto leyo. I think ucoach AP lo megafika ku-Pirates wouldn't even go to the media and say that. So now sekayitholile indlela yakhe angithola i-space sakhe on the team, and the way he rotates the team, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Ngibone uSihlonduli there on the stand. Ngathi wow. Ngithola that's in starting. Buthuma you're supposed to play. Buthuma is starting. Mabasa back on top, and then like last game ungwana sisimika lapha. You understand that like uyakhona bring Moremi back after that thing. Shukuthi nayo lento le father relationship to players. When we score, he goes to the corner, celebrates with the team. I think that shows the leadership yakhe angithola, like nama-subs akhe ngesikhathi akashaya ngaso good ufaka uDlamini no Master Chef ntanga. Yangithola I think ucoach AP has been doing so well, and I think him being a Orlando Pirates coach currently, like he deserves. And believe you me, Mapagania, this guy can be a coach of the season, like South Africa this season, if I'm not correct. But for me, this is like for a game it's a 9. Angazo ngafuna ukupitsa for some reason, but it's a 9.
It's because they conceded.
And
I agree with you, Mfethu. Coach, as I said, Mfethu, like the level keeps on going up and up and up. yesterday in Fetu, I've seen some of the beautiful footballs, and it's not just beautiful football, chance creation.
Yeah.
I think I showed goals near half time. I think we had like 7 shots on target in Fetu. Like shots overall, it was like 14 or something crazy like that. In Fetu, I was like, yo, chance after chance after chance after chance.
And we always do that now.
Young Zod in danger. You always do that, and to think that Relay is not on the pitch, Mbule is not there, like some of our quality players, even Bata wasn't on the pitch. Young Zod in danger. For me, it's scary what this guy is building here. I
Yeah.
think Pirate is going to be a problem in this Betway Premiership. It's really going to be a problem. So yeah, I think I agree with the 9 as well. And then moving on to Libito. Our right back. Oh, Sikuche.
Yasuka lento futhi.
Ukenzeni usini?
Concede.
Kulina concede.
Hambisa utuka bistemuda.
And then uyangithola Sipho is my favorite. I
How is your
always say.
favorite?
It's one of my favorite. Ngihlale ngimkhulumele.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, he knows. Sipho is my favorite. Ngithola ngihlale ngimkhulumela. But I think like communication yakhe game is all it was not good.
Yeah.
Imakesi like he could have scored yesterday. Maybe Sky problem. And if you can remember going back to the previous encounter we faced them, Kukaling Black Label, they
Yeah.
gave us a shock.
Yeah.
First 2 minutes, communicate better. You were there
Yeah.
this season. But experience is something we should go through. He
Yeah.
went through that experience. There. So now you must come sharp.
Yeah.
I wasn't impressed with the 2 minute thing. Communicate better. No CM getting a second chance. We could have considered there. Overall on the game, even the goal, I think it was lousy. He was supposed to position himself better. You understand? But angeke ngikhale kakhulu ngoba azikho izinto ezibhaka zenzile izona. But I'm just saying akaqhubeka ashade isibande singakashaya angayehlisi uyangithola.
Yeah.
For me on the yesterday game it's a 6.
He's a 6.
Yeah.
For me, China is all was a bit disappointing.
Yeah.
And I also think like there was a moment where he was signaling to the bench to sub Tassin after he made that mistake in the second half.
Serious?
Yeah, Chief. That was like, it wasn't like
You
a
were
nice
saying,
moment.
Dawson must be subbed.
Like signaling to the bench. Wabo.
Hey, I didn't see that.
I must not do that.
Yeah, you should check it also on Twitter. I think I've seen a few people also posting about it. So that for me wasn't a good moment. Also, nale goal mfethu. Chief,
The
this
goal,
guy.
no.
Yeah.
Position yourself better than fit.
Even the defense, uyangithola.
Even
Simakhala
just
ngayo.
throughout the game,
Communication, that's
communicating
why
with his
the
defense,
Yeah.
he wasn't on, man, and also his attitude, man, body language is not like ukobile, man, boy, man. I don't know, man.
Maybe it's the penalties.
I doubt.
And I also saw a comment, but I didn't see this. I saw a comment, someone saying that after that game, the fans, I get was even when they sing that the center line,
Yeah.
they'll call out the player's name, but 2 man, then he will come sing with the fans, and then they call another one, he comes and he sings.
Yeah.
They called Sipho and Sipho wasn't singing with the fans. Someone
Serious?
said that, yeah, someone put that comment. I don't know how true it is, but one of the way confidence look at them, it looks like it's true.
Yeah.
So I don't know, whatever is going on with Sipho, he must just dust it off and get his head back in the game. We are at the crucial state of the league.
And can I just set this goes to Yabona, if maybe all those things are happening, even they're outside of football, let's just support him much and
Sure.
and also all of us Pagania. Because the Bucks camps taught us ukuthi these people are going through a lot. We're not saying they must do izinto ezingekho right,
Yeah.
but if we see ukuthi they are getting out of the way, it's us who have to be there for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but signaling to the bench that players
No,
must be subbed.
That's why I'm saying it's not
yeah,
right. It's not right.
And that's wrong of it. And there's not even the captain, Sipho, so he must behave. Angithola lela kuphalonda. We're not expecting to see such behaviors. You know, I mean, Dassen is a young player.
Yeah.
I think he's the youngest in our squad on yesterday's game. So imagine as a senior player signaling to the bench that he should be mentoring that young man, not Utampulo more.
Yeah.
So, what's your rating?
For China,
Yeah.
for yesterday, I'll give him a 4.
Yeah.
It was below average in fair too. And I mean, Seaport doesn't get tested a lot, but fair too, the one time you get tested and you concede one sort.
Yeah. And also remember I said even that I think it was the third goal, Lupopo, when we were playing away.
Yeah.
I think a little free kick and then it came back and volley. I mean that ball in fact too is not even that powerful. And Sipo, he got to it, but it didn't like put in
Santso.
a stronger hand. That's why I shyly again.
Sure.
I wasn't impressed with that goal as well.
Don't you think he's getting comfortable in that position? The competition.
I
is
think
not-
so, Ntwana. I think there's a conversation there.
Let's not be too harsh. I think we're too harsh on Sipo. I'm telling you guys, let's not be too harsh. Yeah, that's why I'm saying, isn't it? It's his balaya, so there's a bias, not right. But let's not be too harsh, yes, we are amaphutha, consider this all. But he has been doing great things, Bafethu. Let's not be too harsh. on the
He has
guy.
been doing great things. We agree with you, Mr. Mlambo. But he must
Kahle,
get his
but not too harsh,
his
Bafethu. I think we're being too harsh now.
together. We must get a second strong goalkeeper so that they compete for that position.
Exactly.
Very crucial position.
Imagine if we had that type of a competition that we have in centre back at goalkeeper.
Yeah. It was gonna be
Understand?
interesting.
It was gonna be interesting.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. But we love Sipo.
And we support him.
We support him. We want him to do better.
Sure.
He
Yeah,
must
but
just fix
Not
those
harsh.
things.
Bafethu. When I'm there, I think we're being too harsh now.
Yeah.
We're being too harsh. Like, siveza konke okubi akakuyenzayo. No, we.
Ngalesikhathi yathola ama-clean sheet besingavezi okuhle.
But
True.
yeah,
Besingakuvezi.
not
Makavimba ama-penalty.
Besingakuvezi.
but not
Uyangithola?
not
So
kanje, Bafethu.
we must not shy away from criticizing players sometimes.
No,
And especially when we see like something
Yes.
out of
uyangithola?
character.
Yes.
I'm not against that. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Players must be criticized, but not harshly. Like nanga yabo so yeah, nanga la game in Lupopo.
No, I mentioned that. I mentioned that even I think on our last pod. I mentioned Nuti, that goal.
Let's move on from it. That's what I'm saying.
I know if it's Mr. Mlambo wants us to move on. We'll move on. But I agree with the 4.
Sure.
And then moving on to Libizo. All right, back.
Kamalami.
Yeah.
Fashion man. I wanna that kind of
Sure.
I think he's matured in that position. Ngithola even him going forward. There was a good cross akayibuyisile ntanga le akayiphi the first half.
Yeah.
This guy plays well. Ngithola defensively wise udlala kahle, attacking wise udlala kahle. But what I can just criticize with the game is all uba Nchimba da hare what.
Yeah.
Le manedla ku Chiefs mengenile izolo
Sure. Yeah,
yebo
well,
le bafethu if you remember last Magesi game that guy is the one who troubled us
Sure.
na izolo ushaya ipali
Yeah.
from kuye you understand like that guy is in the box uthena kanjani ashaya ipali while you
Oh,
you
yeah.
get it.
Eshindanga. And then I wanted to see who was the defender who
it
was
was
trying to block
Libito.
that ball.
I think he has to improve from that, but siyazi ukuthi Libito ayenzakala kakhulu.
Ayenzakala, yeah.
Ngiyangithola, I was just trying to highlight that, but Kamalami, that guy plays well and is comfortable on that position. And what I like, ngathi akunamsindo kuye nje kunebhola. Ngiyangithola akhamba ibhola nje kuphela, which is good. I'll give him a 9 naye for ukuthi udlale grand izolo. But that chance ntanga ngiyakhala ngayo, he must just improve and do better.
Yeah, maybe if it wasn't for that chance, Bozomkaite.
Most def.
Mfana nami, mfana. You know, Summer said he has a new name for him.
Yeah.
Ati
Sigaleke.
Like he does it with ease in Tanga. Like the way in to ngathi cross and immediately mobheka ukuthi uyacrossa vele athi sha mamela eliminated
uye phela
uyangithola
upasa
into enje
utito for
Goal
igoli
kaSkomota.
Skomota yeah he does it with easy ndanga like mfethu libitso mfethu is a ball mfethu uyangithola into enje iyaliqaba ithi kulibitso mfethu like mfethu you can see like you know sometimes mfethu khona amanye ama defender ne he just like makaya phambili he almost like mfethu yazini mfethu just stay at the back and do your job defensively. But when Libito goes, in fact, that guy is so effective. In fact, he always creates something, young Tol. And even defense, in fact, it's always there, young Tol. So I think we have a quality defender there. We have a quality right back, in fact. I don't think Van Rooyen will just come in, young Tol, and
Kumnandi
play.
ukubhakania.
Young
There's
Tol
too much
is going to
competition.
fight for that position, in fact. I think he had a brilliant performance. And shout out for Samasa FS to give him a mention. What did you make of Libito yesterday?
Kalibito.
Yeah.
the best right back. Now for now to say Laisha, that's Quatenda.
Yeah.
He's no longer now guaranteed that right back position.
Sure.
When Libito is like this, cheap.
It's going to be very difficult.
And that guy does all the right things. In fact.
And then for his height, in fact,
Sure.
you must watch this, in fact. Like the aerial balls, in fact.
Yeah.
He that guy, in fact, to
Timing.
contest.
Yeah, he doesn't shy away, yeah.
In fact, to say Masin
Masin.
is short, but
Timing.
when he goes for those balls, in fact, he comes back
What
with the
rise,
ball,
yeah.
young dog in danger. So finally, it's a shout out for to him as well for that. Young
Sure.
dog. Mm.
No, I'm definitely impressed with Libito on Fetu. That's my favorite player. And I think he solutioned for us perfectly the Aqua right back. And as I'm saying, I'm seeing him go squad. That's our right back for Bafana Fetu. He's too good. He's too good.
Too good, in fact. You agree with the 9, eh?
Yeah, although I was leaning more towards a 10.
Yeah. Now I was leading more, but that thing that Mlambo mentioned is
Sure.
that chance in front. I
Yeah.
will lead it out. I don't know how did that guy get a shot there. And then moving on to CM, our right center back.
CM akhohlwa ntanga uyophase undaba nasikhatha koko umremi ne
Sure.
Yeah. I shala
Ntanga.
mata. He did it 3 or 4 times yesterday.
ngathi leliya mfethu
Yeah.
yabona le ntona leyana ntanga le ntona is something else mfethu
It's something else.
that guy is something else like uvese wangena la abheka like ubhodlela sekahleli ayisini kamnandi. I'm not saying I like that, but ubhodlela nje uhleli comfortable ayisini uyamthola because of that ball aphela mfethu being phela when I'm saying comfortable ukuthi iyenzakala kanje uyamthola sho ukuthi uko JP sekathi uyabheka hayi CM
But now, you know what I like? Now, la khona ubhodlela yakekho worried. He's relaxed, fana. You
Yeah,
can see
yeah.
that the boy is doing the job.
But I think he wants to play uyangithola, but like njengoba usho he's relaxed ngoba like uboy udlala grand
Sure.
on that side, but now
And,
he wants to play.
Sorry for ungena la ntanga. And yabona coach naye mfethu amkhulisa ka game la away mfethu. Yes, that game lona surely tempered a bit with this confidence because the team has been coming kanje ngama clean sheet.
Sure.
And then Mogathi yamfaka and then breaks that partnership and then you concede
And I
3
think
goals.
ke what coach JP ayenza fanele kamfake ama game na so on the Cubs uyangithola le game la izona
Sure.
the introduction yakhe
Gradual.
usiyama bahlale ngaphandle, it was going to be good.
Yeah.
Ngithole nakwamanye ama league games ukuthi naye abuye phela like naye make lokho angadlali he wants be good usibisi uyangithola. But back on CM mantangana,
Yeah.
that guy is a baller yabona ke uthi uLibito is a baller. Hayi mina naye le
He's
ayiballer
a ball, everything full of ballers.
I
am full of ballers. How you bully?
But yesterday ntanga nothing much to be done from uCM, but naye ngizokhala ngecommunication yakhe noSipho yasikhosta ku Sundowns nasikhathi athi ushaya ibhola.
Oh yeah.
Both of them, I won't say it's Sipho alone. Naye mfethu. Hey, susu umhlole ekhaya lapha if kuyenzakala. Now I think I'll give him a 9 because of that ngithola, but overall I think the guy plays so well. Tanga that guy doesn't lose balls njengathi ekuqaleni akasashaya ama wrong, which is I think he has improved from that. Yeah, udlale kahle kakhulu.
Udlale grand uCM mfethu. Those diagonal balls.
Ah, of course.
I think they deserve a mention again.
Yeah.
You know, when you look, Moses Stadium, you think,
Uyalibona.
Yalbon,
And it's the left side.
and you think, you'll think to yourself, ukuthi those balls are easy, in fact. You must check that, in fact, no, in fact, there are very few defenders, in fact,
Yeah.
who okhona ukushaya le diski le have it. That's a special skill, in fact. It's a weapon for us.
Angishaya kuphela ulibheke li-pinpoint
Pinpoint.
lenda exactly la alifuna khona. It's like ngathi ulithathe ngesandla wayolibeka la.
Take it out.
It's too good.
Beautiful from CM. And then, give him a 9, you know. Hey, now you have a nigga, I want defenders conceded.
Yeah, but nale cause tanga
You can
imagezi
see.
mengasetha. Ngade mengasetha izolo.
And they got a few
Last
chances.
time yasetha kanje.
Yeah.
Yangithola. So let's not repeat same mistakes, yangithola.
Yeah.
So that's why ngibathathela ama-1 nje. Why?
Oh, I mean, I'm complaining, and I'm saying it's a lot for defense who considered maybe Mekesi got like 3-4 good chances, like really good chances. And so
Yeah.
on another day, they can easily
Plus
punish
him.
us. And so, yeah. And then moving on to Mbokazi is his partner in crime.
Mbikizile Mbokazi yesterday was fine. Angiyibonanga lento mengiyibona. I think the way he was running, I think it was good.
Yeah.
But uMbokazi like akasabi involved kakhulu yangithola cause abasadlaleli kakhulu kithi. Kunalapho umsada amdlulisa khona, die move.
Yeah.
Ngathini? Players I think sebambona uTLB ukuthi okay, mase kizongilanda upressa kakhulu. I think
Yeah.
they're trying to find a trick but like angeke ngimblame kakhulu dantang. Lapho ubonile leya izimshaya ngeshimi. First
But
half.
bekarecoverile la.
Yeah, mega recovered yamshaya ngeshimi then yapusha ibhola yashaya fast.
Yeah.
But like uMbokazi eqaleni mongadluli nje kanjalo yangithola. But seza yenzakala but like I wouldn't be too harsh nayo umuntu yangithola. But I don't think ukuthi sekadlala kakhulu njengasekuqaleni. Think ama game akhe nje aba right yangithola. Nothing marvelous. For yesterday I give him a 7.
Yeah, 7 from Mr. Mlambo. 9-7.
7.
How do you think of the 7 coast?
I think I was going more towards the 8.
Yeah.
Didn't have a lot to complain about from Podlela.
Mbokazi.
Mbokazi, yeah, sorry. Obviously disappointing ukuthi siconsidile but it was a set piece ngeke uthi uzoblame defense kuphela
Yeah,
because
yeah.
it's defender sonke when it's a set piece. But yeah, I so udlale grand naye bewazi abanyana ama diagonal nyana i1 2. I think not a lot to complain about from me, so I would say 8. 8
But-
would have been fair for me.
Not a lot was done from him. Why I gave CMI 9 so kukufana ne because of CMI those Tigers there was not a lot now CMI which was supposed to do.
Yeah.
Marumbokazi like I don't think he was too much on the game yangithola as much as adlale kahle, so that's why I was saying a 7.
Yeah, but 7 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So not bad. I don't know. I'd lean more towards 7-8. Moving on to our left back, Undaba.
Awundaba umkhulu. Uyabona umfana se Richards Bay ujabulile ubonisile ukuthi last time when we said awunama mistakes kakhulu udlisa amabhola
Yeah.
akayithathanga wayefaka ekhanda sho ukuthi akanandaba nama social media ukuthi kuyenzakalani because yesterday he played so marvelous. We were having a joy first half on his side. Ngithola with Tito Mbuthuma there, he was the one who caused for Mbuthuma nasikhathi ashaya ipali uyangithola like him going forward he had an assist for Umuremi
Umuremi.
because Yema took the ball to the side ndaba pass Umuremi.
Assist there.
Hayi assist yo. Yakandaba.
Which goal konje?
First goal.
Umuremi
Angithi uSiyam ulishaya kuNdaba.
Yeah.
Undaba walvala washaya
Oh,
cutback. Yeah.
and then I shot like that long range. Okay, yeah.
it's an assist.
Yeah, it's an assist.
So that's
it's an
what I'm
assist.
telling you. Like he played the way he played kule game wayengenile, but the difference now was making right decisions. was not losing the ball more. Uyangithola? And first half kakhulu, I saw first half, you having Joy on the left and tang. Uyangithola? And that boy udlala kamnandi mfethu uNdaba. That's why I'm saying uNdaba is having his good time ku Orlando Pirates. Noma kangenanga, you'll see the boy smiling, the boy being happy being there. And since the season has started, umfana uhlala ebambile 18. Uyangithola? That means it's something good akayenzayo. Yes, I know ku left back abekho baningi, but uboy dlala kamnandi. For yesterday, I'll give him an 8.
Udlalile uDaddy uNdaba. A few mistakes there and there, as you mentioned, but it's not easy, Angtola, to play this week. Next week you're not playing. You're not playing for like 3-4 weeks, Angtola, and then they wanna call you upon, Angtola. I think Coach Naiman, he must start introducing him on games, man. Even 10 minutes, 15 minutes, Angtola, just for him to have that match fitness, Angtola, because. Some of the touches being frustrated, but overall, he had a decent game, He had a decent game, Undab. And then moving on to Masindi Nomtanche.
John Wick.
My man of the match. I hear, okay, Chippy, after Chippy Zez, Chippy Zeze was the man of the match. Ngoba iscore kumele kube 20 ngakhe. Angazi uvimba amagoli ayingakhe. Uyangizwa? But it was Chippy Zeze, then John Wick. We once had this conversation. I said he's an 8. I remember saying, I don't want to see him there.
Yeah.
I want to see him there. Danga ball retention. Mina like ngiyajabula ndanga umuntu okhona ukwina ibhola asidlalise. And akanazi into eziningi uboy. Maqeda ukulwina and uyakhona ukuzenza into eziningi. But maqeda ukulwina uyaphasa kunale long range akayishayile and ukore kanje against Bob Shukuthi, like it's good to see him doing that, but I think he played so well yesterday. That's the person who I'm going to give a 10. That guy is a baller.
Nomtachela is a baller. And to be honest, I've been crying for a number 6 Nomtachela. I think they Bambile and and I don't think he played a lot of like safe passes, because I'm pulling win, Mekmela 10, you are 10, and a lot of progressive balls, that's what I want from my 6 in Fana. I feel I wish you could guy like a round of games, 6-7 games until although I'm introduced and I see Klenduli
it's gonna be different like so kukvala so dlala ne Sundowns lapha yakuzonyiwa angeke sithathe uMasindi simbeke lapha against Sundowns lapha yasifuna umuntu oyosakha. I'm telling you uMasindi, you can put Masindi as an 8 there. Phela iSundowns ndanga is a sky problem. Ngiyamthola lapha ayibhola lwina on the middle of the park. And uMasindi sometimes naye unoshukela. I mean, that's why ngifuna uNduli lapha against Sundowns, but you can continue.
But and I'm not disagreeing with that. We can play uSihle Nduli because he's been playing there, and sometimes these games like this, they will expose you, uMasindi, because it's not really comfortable. He hasn't been playing there, and from to coach Amfage, and he has a plan, and then he loses the opportunity of playing that position. I think he can gradually Amdalis, and let him compete with Sihle Nduli and McKathleen.
Black boy, cash and kill.
And see, for me, it was my man of the match as well. Was he a man of the match, Coast?
For Izolo, my man of the match was Tito.
But gents, after Chippy Zeze or like man of the match,
for me, Chippy Zeze was not the man of the match. For me, I consider Makola to Agayele. But for me, I think my man of the match was Tito. Nemtachela, great game. Antona Wadala, and I think just to not repeat what you guys have already said, I'm happy with the boy. He must just keep on playing.
And then what do you think of Tosin?
Dawson mfethu, I like the boy. Wabona, you can't doubt his talent. But yesterday was just not one of his best games. Wabona. You have one of those, and especially as a these youngsters, you have to have those in the budget. Wabona, nini ngotlo Kenya is not gonna give you what you want. Wabona. But I like the coach ore azanga mo fella moya early. I'm sapek half time. He gave him a bit more minutes to try the second half. Wabona. But obviously it wasn't really working out for him. I keep. But yeah, boy, room for improvement. I'll say an average performance for me, a 5.
Yeah. Wasn't it below? He
He lost a lot of
And I
balls.
remember you kept on saying, "Ntwana mtu wayasansi etansi."
Sure, I say
Utomkawansali
defend, yeah, because I could see second half even the fans were getting agitated. Man, it almost like every ball now you are losing it. Before it gets to that point, or you'll even get those little number of fans that are gonna start booing. Just protect him, Umonte. That was my thought yesterday.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think boy, lot of room for improvement, and I know he's still gonna give us some more better games.
Definitely. He's still gonna give us better games. And I agree with you. It wasn't his best games yesterday. And but I won't be too harsh on him. Because he's young. He's still trying to get. And it was his first riding debut, ne?
No, I
Start,
think he
yeah,
started
start.
before, ne?
He started before. I think.
He started before. I think I read it somewhere.
Is it?
I think I read it somewhere.
Kunekudlala kakhulu, that's why sibapha.
So yeah,
But yeah, he had a below average performance. I agree with the. You said a 4, ne?
I said a 5. I think
A 5.
I think I like the fact that
Yeah,
you'll make a
yes,
mistake and you'll
yes.
still go there and win the ball again.
Yes,
Now that's what I
yes,
want
that's
from a midfield.
confidence,
Yeah,
yes, that's confidence.
Skate part.
Yeah. Espera, você ir para a TV,
Keep on trying. That's the only way. You're as good as your last touch.
Yeah.
So if your last touch was bad, go get it and do a better touch.
Yeah.
That's my view.
I like that line. Mr. Mlom, what do you think of
Ntango Nkosi
Tansi?
uthathe wonke amagama ami uyibekile.
Yeah.
Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Uyibekile. It's a 5 for me. I think decision making ngokunye on holding on to the ball kakhulu. Sometimes inokumshaya. But like there's room for improvement. Uyibekile Ghost. It's a 5 for me.
Yeah. Moving on to the right winger, Puli.
Yo. Blue.
10 triple one.
I wanna hear 10 triple one. Ndangindaba mfethu like yama 10 triple one wajiki kanje.
Yeah.
Lo muntu nokuthi intanga sekawile intanga. Yo.
Sekabuyile.
Nalapha dlisa ibhola khona second half. Ngitsedliwe nangu
Yalla.
futhi sekangena basket kwapha. Yo. Ntanga washane pani lo muntu. Ubonile unesithini esingani. Police intanga ngeke udlani before games lo muntu. Like what does he eat?
I won't tell you. Nami mfethu like yesterday Puli mfethu. Hey, bekenze ezinye mfethu. Angena ngapho phuma ngapho ndo. Ungaphi?
I was saying to Fire Kirefit, if that didn't say it's like Messi. Messi uchika kanje.
Yeah.
Usathu show ukuthi uyale ujikile uyale. Usathu uyale ujikile uyale. Sibali.
Like if umthole like wasokolisa.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
uyasokolisa
You don't wanna face it.
Opponent ngathi ungayikhatlela lento yathi.
Yela ivela ngale daye yayo. Seyiphume ngayangithola. Ene khululeka ishaya one touch le. Ufuna ukuyitrap yenza into zayo, yenza iphazi mefila kethi vele iphazi yakuzona iteja. And I like the fact ukuthi is direct mfethu umshele.
Sure.
Like wabona Sara Discarpa akopana le defender so
Yakoyo.
aphasi yakoyo.
Ntanga police ntanga uyajabulisa ntanga. If you have a problem with a police or you saying a police doesn't play well, I go check your eyes mfethu for Ebola like real problem.
Yeah.
It's a 10 for me dog.
Mfana.
It's a 10 for me.
I won't argue that. I know ukuthi I said Umasindu was my man of the match, but when our Puli keeps on doing it, and this is the Puli. that I was excited masimsana. I
Hayi,
knew
mama,
this
this one is too
apulipuli
much.
angithola into
This
enjani.
one.
Ntanga, he was doing the same escotini. Escotini was doing the
But
same.
I
mfethu,
now
angithola.
16.
Phela-
I feel
He
like this
took
is
it
too
up a
much.
notch.
Aye, cause mfethu I remember cause escotini is like we no really we were
Yeah,
fighting for
yeah.
that position. And yazi ngibhakani ngifuna ukuthi really adlale. But always but I see Polipoli I'm saying, hey really Marna, he must fight for his position.
Yeah.
Yes, so into zakhe angithola into enjani. Beautiful one from Polipoli ntanga. I agree with that. I agree with that. I won't lie. And then moving on to the other winger, Umuremi.
Ntanga. Yabona nomremi Ntanga naye was a contender moment of the match.
Yeah.
Ethi Ntanga bowlers because umremi uyashaya epalini.
Sure.
Azakore maybe sikasha kwes3.
Yeah.
Yangithola. That's good about umremi.
And he kept on like doing the same shot. So it didn't come out.
Uyangithola, the other one first half iye ngapha on the side, the second one iye ngapha.
Sure. And then the third one
went straight to where it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
Uyangithola, beautiful goal by Muremi Ntanga. And
beautiful goal,
Muremi
in fact.
Ntanga, I think he also a contender of top goal scorer now.
Yeah, I think he had 6 goals. Yeah.
No, 7 or how many now? But
yeah,
obviously
6 or
different
7.
competitions.
Yeah,
Uyangithola,
yeah,
but
yeah,
like
all
Ntanga,
competitions.
we happy with his impacts. Him coming from a red card can can bring your confidence down. But like the boy Ntanga is blind and deaf to the world. Uyangithola, sibonile noma simpuwa, he comes back. The boy is a professional mfethu.
Sure.
The boy played so well. The boy, I can't fault him ngentebhaya. He was not too marvelous izolo uyangithola njengabo police nabobani, but the boy played so well.
Yeah.
Uyangithola, I'll give him an 8. He is effective uyangithola. Indaba igoli lakhe Ntanga like amabhakani nawo azongilwisa Ntanga wayengamuphi 10 because igoli lakhe Ntanga is share on top from the performance yakhe. Let me just give him a 10 and be fair to him. Yes, nezinto angazenzanga grand in terms of ukushaya, but we could see what he's doing uyangithola. Hayi umguy 10.
I'm fine. Muremi. I think Muremi now is one of those guys like Noma Kuja prepare lineup. He's comfortable. He knows it. My name will be there.
Asabizo sebayajump iposition yakhe.
Hey, fana. This is the thing. And now people are cruel and thing. Of course, if you look at Tito is performing. You look at Muremi is performing. Poli. Really, when he comes back now, who must see?
Can I say one thing?
Yeah.
You know, Rile is my favorite player.
Yeah.
But I've been hearing you guys say I'm missing Rile. I don't miss Rile. I go to ngoba ngiyamzwana.
Yeah.
The team is playing well. That's why I said uboy akaphole kahle.
Yeah.
Where ukhona whether akekho you doing the things, but siyazi makebuya uzo add more.
Yeah.
Uyangithola. Noma ngabuya Ntanga angahlala lapha ngaphandle. Itheam iwin ukuthi nje sithanda lento le yakhe special akanayo.
Yeah. But when you say we miss Rile, it's those difficult times. Obviously, when it's nice, everyone is happy winning games. You won.
But since Rile has been out, which ones were difficult times?
Yeah.
Because even Nalile Lupopo, it was not difficult because we came back. Because abantu bebethi the boy konjubani hot.
Yeah.
Together we miss Rile.
Yeah.
If you can check, I didn't comment about that. I mean, I just did say good. I just need the boy ukuthi aphole kahle abuye. But mina ngakamkhumbula. I think kwapolice Ntanga ungijabulisa kakhulu manje.
Yeah, but you have a point there. You have a point. You're not really missing really that much, young Zona. Maybe it was just one game, young Zona. And then you said Umkaya ngaki?
10.
Umkaya 10. Okay. Moving on to Tito Maswanganyi.
Yo. Wetito. Bafethu. Uzomzonda uzumthanda. Ntanga on my way back to Espanini Tuesday.
Yeah.
I mean, abafethu ngikhuluma ibhola every time. I'm coming back from work. I'm hearing a conversation angithola ngebhakani. Ama-time akhode angithola.
Yeah.
Ayibathi i-time le-Sundowns futhi. Ngitito ngiyamzonda udlala uDodo Tito. Ntanga. Bekuyiliphi game? Le game le Lupopo esibuya kulo.
Yeah.
Udlala uDodo ngithi makathi time uyenzeni uTito like engaka ukuthi nize ningamboni kangaka uyangithola because Tito Ntanga like gives his all ntanga.
Sure,
And the team is playing so well because Tito is
Tito is in the
is
pitch,
in the mood ntanga. And these past 3 games ntanga, from the man of the match which he got against Polokwane, we came back to Lupopo wadlala kamnandi. We coming back now udlale kamnandi.
2 months.
He even assisted uSkomota, but ngaphandle kwalokho ntanga,
Yeah.
everything which the guy is doing, you can see ukuthi the guy is a professional. The guy wants to go back to the squad.
Yeah,
He's raising his hand now ukuthi hey Hugo awubheke uLodge uyazenza ngale, uMbulu uyazenza ngale, nami ngikhona. Uyangithola, it's that healthy competition esesinayo. And I'm happy ntanga uMaswanganye if it's playing so well because the team is going to play so well.
Yeah,
The team is going to create so many chances
Sure.
if uMaswanganye udlala grand. And unfortunate for him, he hasn't scored njengoba adlala kahle kanje.
Or during recent performances.
Yeah. But like at least he's giving assist. I think it has been a good season for him so far.
It has been a good season
It's
for
like
Tito,
ntanga
in
nyamupa. Tata.
Tito mfana, Tito kawa, ntanga like ibekile mfit. I have nothing much to add there. Tito is doing the right things mfit. And that position in the PN striker, the number 10 position, that's a difficult position if young told. We tried to Umbule there, young told. He didn't have the greatest of games on that position. We tried to relay Mufuke, so I also relate didn't have greatest of performances. But every time you put Tito there, young told in Benjamin, Tito understand their position. Young told, understand ukuthi makuyi pitch. Ngiyabuya ngilanda kuma defender ngiyazibuyisa yangithola ngiphakamisa amafeni yangithola into enjani. And then what I like futhi ngoTito is that what Mbule and really don't do too much. Ushamara yangithola into enjani. He doesn't just pass and just arm yangithola. He passes uyalifule ngayi yangithola into enjani. Defense mayishaya line uzamuyiphula yangithola into enjani. So he had a lot of qualities. And uno more stamina like Tito can run for days. Another beautiful one is fit. Another beautiful one in fit.
And I think as you are saying, Donor, you don't see that a lot with like the talented players like Abombuli, Aborile. You know, the stamina, you know, to press and
press,
track
like we beg up because you could see even yesterday stop but in fact he'll just maybe foul and then aphakame nota shaya sinye sprint 100 meters ayo press ngithi out uthatha more yangithola inhliziyo
and you agree with me if I say Tito is a leader?
Yeah.
Tito is a captain.
Definitely.
With no belt.
Yeah, with no belt, he's a captain. He's a captain. Young Tola. So 10 out of 10 for Tito. Hey, we keep dishing out 10s. No mistake today. Worry. And then moving on to our number 9. Ghost. Number 9. What are number 9? You're talking of Mbutu.
Sure.
Get the number 9.
And I even said Kumbula Ntanga ngikutshela ngithi pegale out nje istencha. Yabona ukuthi this is a striker this guy. Mutuma. I love that boy.
Yo, I love
we have a solution. Now we have a solution.
We have a solution.
And then I'm happy with Mutuma.
Even talking about him, then I get excited because like I wanna strike as a one it's rare to find someone like that.
Sure.
Someone who's willing to die for the team, put his body out there. He has the height,
Sure.
He can compete aerially. He doesn't like to go on the sides and he wants to sit there.
Sure.
Give me a tip in. I remember one of the interviews. Uzeli. I think to sure. It doesn't have tape. Why? It's always not there.
Yeah.
Young Joel.
Sure.
That guy. You should have tape to tola kimbutu.
Yeah, goal like against
Diodi.
Yeah, it's a tape in, sure.
Lele linye ukoreka yo header, but Undaba wam-assist kule game lePulukwane azashaya esayidini if you remember.
Sure.
On that game size siblome ngayi.
Yeah. Awunawo amathepini, unawo
Nayizolo
amathepini.
ushaya
Yeah, nami
ipali
ngiyakhumbula no.
Tepini yakhe.
Even that close range,
Amahera
it's
la.
almost it's almost a P.
Sure.
So that guy is gonna cause a problem.
That is the solution for
And
it.
you know, this type of strikers, those are strikers that always, when the season ends, if he got like a run of games, he's always there, top 1, top 2.
Yeah,
top
to compete,
1,
sure, yeah,
So like
yeah.
they compete.
Boshalulile.
Aboshalulile, yeah. He's a sniper, fan. He's a sniper.
No, agreed.
Yeah. You said
Akampanga.
High rating.
yeah.
I would give him a 7. He's all shot a goal.
I mean an 8 mfethu.
I would even take an 8.
Amadipenda
Like,
ngithala lazwile ayasho ukuthi le ntwana lena.
I have super fit.
Le ntwana lena man. Nayi le ntwana lena sevela ngapha.
And I'm a link up play why I grand, you know.
Uyangithola. That's
Sure.
why I said he knows how to take the ball to the side.
Yeah.
Run to the poles.
Sure, yeah,
Uyangithola.
exactly that. Yeah.
Uyangithola, hold the ball, abakayi, run
Sure.
to the poles. That's the striker. You can give them the ball phansi, through a true pass. You can give them the ball phezulu, through a cross. You can give them anyhow. You can give him the ball. Uyangithola. For me, it's an 8. Nje ushothe ngegoli. Chipizeze against Butsuma yesterday.
Cheap as well. You say behind that?
I was saying a 7, but I'll take even an 8.
Yeah. That
Had a good game.
As well.
Yeah.
Take an 8. Beautiful performance. And then moving on to our first up, Mahopa. Anasis.
Mwana tonight. Mwana sis. Ukorile madoda.
Yeah.
Beautiful goal.
Mahopa scored a goal.
Mfuna nisho ukuthi beautiful
I
goal.
thought it was a beautiful goal.
Beautiful
I told Fire Mike to score and it's one that's a striker's goal.
Yeah, you said it.
Ngithi ngizosho kanjalo ukuthi uyabona ukuthi Mahopa is a striker.
If he stays there, imagine how
Ngithi
many he would
manje,
share.
Ngithi uyabona ukuthi Mahopa is a striker.
Yeah, he's a strike.
Thank you. And Naizolo he was on the
You
side.
can't pick us on a corner and say, yeah, because of one goal. He must score. He must score 5 of those, and then
No.
you can ask us,
No,
do you agree?
No, is. He wants ask me a question. I think Mongeko. What if you give Mahopa 5 chances? Ane? How many would he score? I think you said 1. Then my response was, Mahopa doesn't shoot or doesn't get a lot of chances. Young Todd, I'll agree because uhlala semasayidini or what. So I do not have anything engamrate ngayo because akashaya kakhulu emapalini. That's what I said to him. Was I wrong me saying that?
You are not wrong.
Thank you. Ngiyabonga. I wanna say sintanga ujabulisile yo ntanga yo mengijabulile ntanga isikhathi I think mengisesipanini. Uyakhoka nomjutana. Akabe sengivala ispan sonke ngekhaya. Celebrate ntanga but I was happy nge-introduction yakhe. Good touches. Good touches akawashayile uyangithola since angenile. I think he plays so well and I think namabhakani yapaya vele it's true vele ukukhala ngokuthi udoga kakuri uyangithola and him getting a goal and I think since abuye ku squad intanga Hugo knows how to bring the best out of Mahopa. That's what I have seen. Since abuya ku squad intanga he's a different player ntanga and like he's raising his hand ukuthi nami coach noma ungangifakanga nami ngikhona uyangithola I think he plays
that you want.
he played so well naye ngamupha 8 njengombuthuma because of a goal it didn't do much uyangithola but that goal is so marvelous.
I found a beautiful goal by Evidence Mahopa. Young Jordan we won't lie and say that's a striker's goal, as you said, Young Jordan. Performance wise, it didn't really do much, but that goal takes him to an 8, Young Jordan. But he must be brave, Anton. I remember that ball is there. Tamlin J 18.
Asipam ntanga. Ngikhumbula le show. Lapho ungena le ndlule ngapha ngathi ngapha.
Yes.
Ntanga yo.
Mfana, he does a lot of that. Umbhek, it's almost like you're diseased.
Sure,
because he has the height.
I've seen that,
If it was Mbuthuma mfethu, ngiyakutshela mfethu bayalifaka ikhanda la. We don't know ukuthi bezoba on target or what. But what I can guarantee you. Because ulifaka ikhanda ayithinte le ball kwenzakala chaos la. So you must improve man in that respect man. Ayeke ukuba igwala for a big man like him, yangithola. Faka wonke umzimba ndoda, yangithola. So I agree with the 8. And then moving on to MasterChef.
Let
Yeah,
him
now 79
cook.
minutes.
Let him cook.
Let him cook.
Hayi yabona ntanga yena noShenku ngathi batshelene uma bengena lapha ya ukuthi ayishayana ngamanolo. Yangithola ntanga uMasterChef likes to joke but joking doing right things.
Yeah.
Yangithola like ngathi uyajoke, that's why coach akwatile ukuthi these two they're coming with shenanigans here, but like I don't think like bona they were there. They were just enjoying it.
It is, yeah.
Nothing much was done, but that moment and anoshengo ntaka mina mengijabulile ntaka umunye uyaphasa ubhekane umunye uyaphasa ubhekane ngithi this is what we want to see uPirates yangithola and Mbule is happy ntanga ku Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
Yangithola didn't do much, but I'll just give him a 6, more than the average.
Yeah, it's a quick 6. I think it's good. And then moving on to Lamine.
Shengo.
Yeah, Chef.
Ndanga yabona uShengo ntanga ngizofaka abantu enkingeni ntanga ngalamanolu kwakhe uzobona ucoach uzomfaka usazowashaya
Pasa kanjani ungabheka?
Pasa kanjani ngabhekanga ngempela uhlala bhekelele lo muntu lo ubheka uvino ntanga bakemju uhlala bhekelele Dlamini and ibhola liyalapha liyakhona Dlamini ntanga technically gifted. I'll always say that. Nah, same as Mbule. Nothing much was done. But that moment ntanga ngijabulisile. It's a 6 for him.
And then moving on to Dion Otto ngenela undaba.
Getting how many minutes control?
That was the end. Yeah, 80 something.
I'll just say average. Nothing.
Average.
Done,
Yeah. And I know Bilibili, I think.
Average.
They didn't really do much. And then moving on to the fans. Or was it the referee first? Okay, but let's do the fans.
100.
Yeah.
Kumele ngithini? Magnet.
Yeah.
Mafenzi miwalapha ntanga. Ngithi mengibukele efonini. Ngizinamba ngithi yo isensa line ya. Sure. Yangithola 100. Nama post match can attest that.
Yeah. During difficult conditions.
Yeah.
Coasting fit. I think you must give ourselves a tap at the back.
Definitely.
So like we stayed through and through.
Yeah.
Right,
No umbrella fit, nothing.
No umbrella.
Next.
Shying over, it's motivating the guy. Yeah. And then moving on to the referee, Tandon Zanzega.
I think this is my first time giving a referee an 8. I'll say that. Kept the game moving. Tanga kamnandi.
Yeah.
Yabona the game lies on tanga mina I wasn't frustrated with the ref. The ref was fair.
Yeah.
And that's what we need. To just be fair. We're not saying judge any Pagania, but judge the match fair.
And
That's
you could see his experience. That moment, Yaga Chipezes, it was a beautiful moment.
Time wasting.
He quickly realized, and he knows his reputation of doing this thing. Then once he falls there, I won't see nothing happened to him. It's just wasting time so that players can get instruction or we can lose momentum. He went there, he gave him a yellow card. And guess what that did to him? It meant now he can't waste anymore. You know, when guy first half, when he gets a yellow card, you know, throughout the game, we won't have problems of time wasting because once you get another one, you cost the team. So game management wise as well, in fact, we must give him. I think we can take him up a notch there and give him a 9. I don't know. Ghost, in fact, beautiful performance from Urel. Of course, we hardly give them these ratings. When you see someone doing something like this, if it surely you must applaud.
No, definitely. I think the referee yesterday, even his linesmen were on point. You know, Nama offside they were born. You know, it was just a beautiful display from our referee. I think even 9 ungabakaya mfethu.
10.
Yeah. Nama linesmen were okay. I think they were good.
Yeah, as a team, ne?
Sure.
No, it's a 10 for the Reverend Fitu. Tando Zanzega, keep it up, Fitu, and shout out to you, Fitu. Please show your colleagues there how it's done, Fitu. And I hope they give you the game that you're going to, moving swiftly to it. Yeah.
Sunflower. Sunflower FC.
Sunflower FC.
57 fans FC.
He had a lot of tactics for, and I think I'm a fans in Dang. I'm a fans like they said a lot of things about this game. Young so the stadium was moved from
That's what
Lucas,
Lucas Moripe.
yeah, from
I
Lucas
heard that.
Masterpiece to Loftus, young tall. And then the tickets were sold out. Who was the guy who on the interview was saying he was on the line, young tall.
Akusumabaso naye.
No,
Yeah,
so
I think his name is Mabas as well.
oh,
Yeah.
his name is I'm thinking of the other Mavas.
That's true.
Yeah, young Zola, and he said, Buffett, can I just have like 1 minute, young Zola? I just want to address this lady, fit. And that thing in Danga, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think it's right in Danga of Sundowns buying tickets, young Zola, and then giving their fans tickets so that they fill up a stadium, fit. That's not right. Because sometimes you give even people who don't have passion for football, young so like, they won't even bring you atmosphere. I don't know, it just happy of seeing those yellow jerseys all around, young so like, but with no passion to it, young so like, nothing, young so I don't know, what do you think of these Sundowns and these dirty tricks that they even the pitch I don't think will play in a nice pitch as with bahlala bayenzani, young so
Ntanga uyibekile ntanga ngithola bamosha ibhola but
Bamosha ibhola, ne?
ngizophinda ngisho. Let's expect that as Buccaneers. I said it last time. Singakhala noma senzeni ntanga si team is strong and people will try to come with a lot of tricks
Yeah.
ukuthi basihle. Thina what we should just focus on i-disc yangithwala. Thina ama-fans management ePirates izolwa naleyona. Yibo at least thina mesokhala kakhulu if mekuyithi. Thina we don't do that. Abantu mabedlala nathi we bring them to proper pitches. Asiyenzi nje ama-shenanigans but bona siyazi they always do that. No Jose Rivero kunalapha complain akhona. Bamanzisa i-ground.
Yeah, they always
Banezinto
sleeping, yeah.
ezibhaya. At least mara now we have a clue ukuthi abobani.
Yeah.
Sizolwa. We'll fight.
So do you think coach must go there with the offensive mind approach, or do you think he must just sit in and absorb the pressure because he's playing away to Sundowns?
Mina I'm saying first 15 minutes adlaleni kahle. Adlaleni kahle and check ukuthi what kind of a game we playing today. Then we go on them. Because as much as bangadlala kahle, I mean I'll tell you, those guys are good league. Those guys are good. It's not like a matter of good saba. It's a matter of game management. Some 15 minutes I like in the game. But I'm 15 minutes I 3 first half. But I'm 15 minutes I 3 second half. Which is 6. I'm stoppage time. So we can manage those 15 minutes. Because we can't play in a game long against the one Sundowns. Let's just manage it ngalama 15 minutes because we do need these 3 points. We don't need a point. We need 3 points. So the first 15 minutes, let's just read the game. Spare good injan. Then after 15 minutes, as pulling it tempo.
I was about to ask you, if you offer the point, but you already answered, you need 3. If you offer the point before a game, like bearing in mind that you have still 2 games in hand, and then if you win those 2 games in hand, you go above there. Yeah, we touch.
To me, it's a loss. Yeah, for you to be champions, when they get the opportunity, but you must know if you get 3 points from them, 3 points, and we win these 2 games. Ian's 14. The season has just started. So we need all the points we should get. We can get.
I think I feel like we need that 3 points from Sundowns, specifically from Sundowns. And I think kumele sibabonise ukuthi ithi Buccaneers i-team enkulu mfethu. We mustn't go there and respect Sundowns and want to come with a draw. We must go there and dominate them mfethu. We have all the quality.
Because we've given them so much respect for the past 9-10 seasons,
Sure.
especially on the league.
Yeah.
Now it's time. It must end now.
And I don't think like Sundowns man ilahlile man. Singeshaya mfethu. We've got the quality mfethu. Our police excited. Muremi on form mfethu. Mbutuma in there.
Bana nalaba
Just
baku
that-
18.
just that as Nanda Chilondana, sometimes they play like this dirty game, of coming up with tricks, so it end up not being like nice to say who's the better team, but the team who has the dirty minds and play that dirty game who wins on the day, But I think this game is huge for the boys, Mr. Mlambo, because if we beat Sundowns, I think there will be a mentality shift to say, like, there's a new boss in town, in danger. If we were to go there to their home ground and beat them, so we'll be showing them that period where they keep on dominating the league, it has ended, in danger. There's a new sheriff in town, and I think I agree with Ghost's approach in that, like, to go at them, in danger. They must not breathe, If it's Mbutuma Fetu, Mbutuma press, if it's Skomota press, in danger. I think that one of the 3 points, if you get that 3 points, there will be a huge mentality shift, in the boys. I think they'll really start to believe we're gonna take this league, Like in fact, we have nothing to lose. Even if they beat us, we're still within range. If we win our 2 games, I think there'll be 2 points or 3 points above us,
And I think, Mina, it will be them that will not be wanting to lose that game. Kibona by ranking, I'm expecting them to want to say, right, guys, we would rather get a point. Understand so that we maintain the lead and whatnot. Now we must go there to beat them. We must go there for the 3 points. No, non-negotiable. Yeah.
I think in fact, like, it's nice. It's just like this game, ne? Like, when you look at it, when I coast, there's more pressure on them than on us. So now we don't have pressure.
Exactly.
When already they are under pressure.
Yes.
If you go there,
That's what I'm saying.
Go there, they'll crack.
Exactly.
I'm telling you, this Sundowns team is not a good Sundowns team.
Sure, it's not the best. Yeah.
It's not the best,
Anyway, now quality, that's
quality.
another thing.
Yeah.
Like, we have quality all round.
Yeah. And then you can take us through our log coast.
Okay, we look to Bafetu. I changed much, so we just
to interrupt you there, Ghost. In fact, we forgot to mention we won't be on the game. Sundowns will be watching it at the church. The church, Mr. Mlambo.
Konje was the church Ghost. Ekatlehong God.
Yeah, Ekatlehong.
K1, let me get the name of the church again. It's Change Bible Church.
Yeah, Change Bible Church, Mapagania. We'll be there on Saturday watching a game. It's a watch along of it. So if you in and around Katlehong, please come through of it to give us your post-match analysis of it. It will be a great night. You saw the program there. It will be nice, Mapagania. Please, if you nearby, come through.
Men's conference.
Conference, yeah.
Yeah, sure. And then our table buffet too. So we are now played 14 games, and because we all got the correct prediction, which Pirates are winner, but none of us got the correct score. So Tolanje I increase on my 1 point. So Fire goes from 16 points to 17, and then from 15 to 16, and who goes from 11 to 12. So Sekoni goes to Matot.
I really felt sorry for Goose.
I mean, I was happy.
You're happy you are conceding.
I was happy you considered. They said it. And this is
ndangambona ndangakhinye yazini mara kanjani mara
niyezwa amapakaniya ukuthi le game yenzani amadoda ayajabula must concede. Predictions for the Sundowns game.
This one is going to be a tough one. It's going to be a close one. This one, if it's 2 South African giants going head to head at the top of the table. In fact, I think I'll go with 2-1 to Orlando Pirates.
2-0. to Orlando Pirates.
3-0 to Orlando Pirates mapakania. Siyabasmasha nabantu, siyabacrusha nabantu. You'll see 3-0 bafethu.
Ah, 2-0.
And there you have it, Mapagania. It's 2-1 to me, 2-0 to Mr. Mlambo, 3-0 to Coast. Don't I like your confidence? 3-0, do you really believe it? Or you
Don't
just saying
I
it?
believe
He
it?
does.
Don, I'm telling you. Nah, we
Those
are going to
Pirates,
crush those
it
guys.
is.
I'm
telling you.
Mapagania la mutwa Coast, going to crush them. Crush them. And I think you can do the show, Fitu. I have nothing much to say, Mapagania. Let's meet at the church, Bafethu. Let's kill these people.
I mean, what I can say, Mapagania, sinenhlanhla bafethu to be these Pagania fans ngalesikhathi. Uyangithola cause iPagania bafethu idlala igame enhle
Yeah.
kakhulu, and squad depth mfethu, the improvement on the team, like it's so marvelous to see mfethu. Now mabuyela iPagania usathuki.
Yeah.
And what I like about Pagania fans, I'm not speaking about our fans or my team.
Yeah.
They understand football. That's why we have a lot of these analysis after the games. Like when you hear Mapagania Kuduma,
Yeah.
you get joy in it.
Yeah.
Mapagania. Thanks for the love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you, Mr. Mlambo. Kula PFTV, Kula.
Kula.
Bopa Mapagania.
Opa.
Opa.
Opa.